Hello viewers, my name is Raghav, and actually before a few weeks I went to a course in YS, which is Young Scientist, and it was a course that contained 16 sessions, and after that I am here before you with an app. Before showing you the app that I created, I would like to thank my YS facilitator Priya Gopinath ma'am and my YS coordinator Padma ma'am. Now let's get started. As you can see, this is the app. My app is called COVID Siraksha. It is a complete app on COVID-19. It is made considering the pandemic situation right now. So everyone download this app and be safe. So this is the login screen. This is specially made for certain feature which I'll be talking about after when we discuss about the app. So let's get started. If you're already an existing user in COVID Say Raksha, you can just click the first checkbox and you could go in. But if you're if you're new to COVID Say Raksha and you want to sign up, then just click this and this will show up. Here you have to enter your name, phone number, everything needed. So I'm entering my name. Sorry. So that's that it's successful, and I also get a message specifying my username and my password, just so that you can remember. As you can see that I'm again brought back to this login page. This time I'm going to show you what happens if you're an existing user. Now click on this and this will pop up. My username that I specified was this, and my password. And this is the option screen. As you can see, I've allowed seven features. So, and this is a tiny message that I wanted to convey. Now let's get started. First and foremost, I want to show you the most important, which is the self-assessment test. And as you click self-assessment test, this screen pops up. Here you have to answer all the questions specified. Now for the first time, I'm going to show you what happens if you are found to be in risk. Let's get started. So now you have answered all the questions and just click finished. And a notifier pops up telling that I'm in risk, and it tells me to click a button below to view the nearby hospitals. Just click OK and see below. You can see that a button has just popped up. Boom. And just click on the button and you will be taken to this page. As you can see, I've just allowed 4 hospitals right now, but in future I will be giving updates where you can expect many more hospitals. So just do a click. Let me say I want to see what this hospital is. Do a click and shows that the hospital's name is Chettinad Health City, and it tells me that it's permitted to treat COVID. Now you think that you have COVID and you really want to get admitted in the hospital, but you want to know how the hospital functions and fees and everything else, and you don't know what it is. Don't worry, just do a long click. Doing a long click. As you do a long click, you will be taken to the official website of the hospital. Now the official website of Chettinad Health City is chettinadhealthcity.com, and now you're here in the official website. Here you can here you can get all the information. Now let's go back to the app. And another important feature is the home button. As you can see in this home button, from wherever in the app you click this home button, you will be taken back to the home page. Now let me demonstrate.
Stay healthy and stay safe.
So you're again taken back to this home page. Now next I'm going to show you this feature called live news. Now for example, your DTH is not working and you really want to know about the breaking news and everything. Click this option and you will be taken to this page. Now here you can select which news you want. Now let me say I want India Today, and I can see the India Today news comes up, and I can see the news right now. I can get all the information. Now again I'm going to home.
Stay healthy and stay safe. A message from Raghav.
Now you were a little busy and you forgot to see the news, and you don't know how many people are affected near you or in your city. So don't panic, just click on corona status. When you click on this button, you will be taken to this website where you can see the number of corona cases. You will even get to do a poll of the day, which I have already done, and you can also see the state-wise information. Now let me say I am in Himachal Pradesh, then I could look into how many cases are in Himachal Pradesh and everything. Now coming back to the app, this time I will show you the feature called Pictures of Corona. When you click on this, you will be taken to the Google search where you can see the different pictures of Corona. This is just a simpler way. Instead of going to opening the Google and searching it, you just click on this button, you will be taken into the page. It's much more easier way. Now let me demonstrate videos. For now I have just added 5 videos, but in future in the updates I will be giving more videos and you could download that. So now maybe I want to see what is COVID-19, like how does it occur and things, and just click on this and you could see the video. Now in this video you could see everything. Let's get back. So the home button.
Stay healthy and stay safe. A message from Raghav.
Now maybe you want to be healthy and you don't know how to be healthy, like in the ways you are not informative. Then just click on this and the screen pops up. You can just click on this option called I want to see the healthy tips. When you click on that, you will be taken to the official website of World Health Organization or WHO. Here you can see the ways of protecting yourself and others, and you can also see the advice on hand sanitizers and etc. So last but not the least, I want to tell the important feature of this app, which is called My Lockdown, and this was the feature that I was talking about in this beginning about the login screen. So when you click this picture and there's a video. So to guard these both, we have given that login option. So you have to log in to guard these things. By the way, this is only available in your phone. So you cannot log in from a different phone. You have to log in from the same phone to do this. So this is just another safety method. Now you want to take a photo, then just click camera and click this. And now it asks if you really want to have this photo. Just click this, go to home, come back to My Lockdown, and you can see that the picture is over here. Now sometimes it's in the opposite way, like you want to take a video, not a photo, then click on this video option and now you can take a video. And again the same thing comes. I don't want to save this video. If you want to save the video, you can just click on this tick button, but I don't want to save the video, so I can just discard it and this error occurs. If you want to save it, then you can click on that save button and go to the home and come back and the video would be there. To see the video, click on this option comes and you click on that and you can see the video. That's just my brother. Let's go
Stay
back.
healthy and stay safe.
So this is my app called COVID Se Raksha. This is again I'm telling this is a complete app on COVID-19. So I thank everyone for watching this video, and I expect everyone to download this app so that you yourself, your family, your friends, everyone can be safe from COVID-19. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.